Thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2025, but not sure where to even begin? You're definitely not alone. Every successful creator you watch today had to start from zero, exactly where you are right now. It can feel overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's easier than you think once you know the right steps. Maybe you're dreaming of becoming a full-time content creator. Or maybe you just want a fun place to share your hobbies, your knowledge, or your creative projects with the world. Either way, setting up your channel properly from the beginning makes a huge difference later on. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through every single step you need to create a clean, professional YouTube channel. We're talking no confusing tech speak, no complicated stuff, and absolutely no wasted time. Just a clear, easy-to-follow roadmap that actually works in 2025. And hey, bonus for you! If you stick around until the end, I'll even share how you can grab 100 free video ideas to help you start posting right away. It's completely free, and trust me, it's going to save you a ton of brainstorming time. Alright, if you're ready to finally launch your channel and stop overthinking every little step, let's dive straight into it. Alright, step 1. You can't have a YouTube channel without a Google account. So if you already have one, you're ahead of the game. If you don't, no worries. Go to youtube.com, click sign in, and hit create account. Super simple. Choose the option that says for work or my business. Even if you're solo, this setting will give you more control later. During the setup, YouTube will ask for some basic info. Fill it out carefully, and when you see the option to add a recovery email, make sure you do it. This step is super important. If you ever lose access to your email or YouTube account, the recovery email is what can save you. It's like a secret key to get back in. Agree to the terms and conditions, double-check your details, and boom, you've got a Google account ready to go. It literally takes less than 5 minutes, but it's one of the most important foundations you'll ever set for your YouTube journey. Once you're in, you'll land on the YouTube homepage. It might feel tempting to start clicking around and watching videos, but remember, right now, we're building something bigger. Your future audience is waiting, and today's the day you start creating. Now that you have your Google account set up, let's move on to actually creating the channel where your videos will live. Now comes the exciting part, creating your very own YouTube channel. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. You'll see an option that says, Create a Channel. Click that, and get ready to make some important decisions. First, you'll need to choose your channel name. Think carefully here. It should reflect the type of content you want to make. But don't stress too much. You can always rebrand later if you need to. Next, you'll pick a handle. This is your @username that people will use to find you and tag you in comments. Make it simple, easy to remember, and related to your niche if possible. After that, upload a profile picture. If your channel is personal, like a vlogging channel or a coaching brand, a clear, friendly headshot works perfectly. If it's more about a topic, like tech reviews or cooking recipes, a clean, easy-to-read logo is the way to go. Remember, your profile picture shows up tiny on mobile, so it needs to be clear even at small sizes. Once you've locked in your name, handle, and photo, YouTube will automatically create your new channel. That's it. You officially exist on YouTube now. It's an amazing feeling, but we're just getting started. Now let's make sure your settings are correctly dialed in so your channel runs smoothly right from day one. This part isn't super glamorous, but it's absolutely critical if you want your channel to grow and stay safe. First up, you need to verify your phone number with YouTube. It's quick, it's easy, and it unlocks important features like uploading videos longer than 15 minutes, adding custom thumbnails, and even going live later. Next, head into your Upload Defaults section inside YouTube Studio. For now, set your privacy settings to Unlisted by default. This lets you upload videos privately while you're still testing, learning, and adjusting things before going fully public. Now let's talk about comments. Go into your community settings and set your moderation level to basic. This filters out a lot of spam comments automatically without blocking real viewers from interacting with you. Keeping your comment section clean is a big part of maintaining a positive community vibe. Another key setting, YouTube will ask whether your channel is made for kids. Be honest here. Only check yes if your entire channel is specifically for kids under 13. Otherwise, choose no, or set it individually for each video. This affects how YouTube treats your content legally, so you want to get it right. Finally, if you're working with a partner, editor, or anyone else, you can add them under permissions. That way, they can help manage your channel without needing your personal Google login. Super useful if you plan to grow into a team one day. Now that your channel's bones are in place, it's time to dress it up with branding that looks professional and inviting. First up, channel banner art. This is the big, wide image at the top of your channel. Make sure your design is center-focused and still looks great on both big desktop monitors and tiny phone screens. Next, craft a killer channel description. Think of it like your elevator pitch. Who are you? What's your channel about? What kind of videos are you making? Keep it short, clear, and packed with a few natural keywords to help people discover you through YouTube's search engine. After that, don't forget to add your links. These can be to your website, Instagram, TikTok, merch store, whatever's relevant. They'll show up right on your banner, making it super easy for viewers to connect with you outside of YouTube. Another smart move is adding a business contact email. Even if you don't plan to work with brands right away, it's good to have this set up from the start. It makes you look professional and ready for opportunities. Lastly, enable your branding watermark. This is a small, see-through logo that appears on all your videos in the bottom corner. It's a gentle, passive way to remind people to subscribe without interrupting your content flow. Alright, now let's talk about making money on YouTube. Because yes, it's very possible. But you need to hit some milestones first. To apply for the YouTube Partner Program, you'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. That might sound like a lot, but it's absolutely doable with consistent quality uploads. Inside YouTube Studio, there's a Monetization tab where you can track your progress toward those goals. Watching those numbers slowly climb is super motivating, so make it a habit to check it every so often. Once you start building momentum, you'll also unlock other revenue streams like super chats, channel memberships, YouTube Premium revenue, and even sponsorship deals. But first, focus on building that solid foundation you're setting up right now. And there you have it. You've just built your YouTube channel step by step the right way, without cutting corners or getting lost in a bunch of outdated advice. Now the real magic happens when you start posting consistently. Focus on making your next video just a little better than your last. Small improvements over time are the secret sauce to growing on YouTube. You've got this. Also, if this guide helped you even a little bit, please hit that subscribe button. I post YouTube tips, content ideas, and growth strategies every single week, and I'd love to have you along for the journey. Thanks so much for watching. Good luck with your new channel, and I'll see you in the next video.